So you want to buy an LED sign for your business or organization to either update your existing marquee or as part of an all-new sign package. But we know there's always the dilemma of juggling capital improvements while managing your operating costs. But whereas static signage is typically looked at as one large capital expense, an LED display is like owning and reaping the benefits of your own media outlet. So let's say the display you want costs $30,000, as little as $600 a month. If you buy any media annually, TV, newspaper, radio, and more, you can trim some of those bought media dollars and subsidize your new digital outdoor display. In this example, if you take less than a third from your marketing budget, the sign will almost pay for itself in as little as 3 years. In fact, it's probable that consumers won't notice your reduced media spend if you reduce it proportionately and reallocate the funds to your capital budget for your new owned media outlet. Now you can maximize the effect of all other media dollars you spend by reinforcing your message to the consumers right in front of your door. So the bottom line is this: an LED display is more than a one-time capital expense. It's a long-term media asset that you own. Visit our online configurator to price your own sign today at nextledsigns.com and learn more about our financing options and industry-leading warranty.